EnergeticUX Morning Pulse, Global Energy Update. Date, December 17th, 2025. Main theme, energy systems enter a phase of fine-tuning. Prices fall, grids get smarter, offshore accelerates. Brent crude has slipped to $59.90 per barrel, holding below the psychological $60 level. The market is largely ignoring OPEC plus rhetoric, geopolitical risks, the seasonal winter demand factor. Key drivers: weak demand from China and Southeast Asia, strong non OPEC supply, expectations of a global economic slowdown in 2026. Why it matters: low oil prices put pressure on traditional upstream capex, shift capital toward hybrid systems and grid solutions, strengthen the long term case for electrification and renewables. Japan has officially launched its first specialized service operation vessel for offshore wind farms. Key capabilities: year round offshore wind maintenance, multi week operational autonomy, support for large scale projects off Honshu and Kyushu. Context: Japan is moving from pilots to industrial scale offshore wind. The focus is no longer only on turbines, but on operations, logistics, and reliability. Why it matters: the offshore wind sector is entering a new phase, not building capacity, but operating it efficiently. This is a clear signal of market maturity. Germany is expanding the use of shunt and synchronous capacitor systems to stabilize its power grids. Objectives: reactive power compensation, voltage and frequency stability, mitigation of grid congestion driven by renewables. Historical note: in the Soviet Union, similar technologies were systematically deployed from the early 1980s, especially in high voltage transmission networks, nodes with fluctuating generation, heavy industrial power systems. Why it matters: this is not a new breakthrough, but a return to proven power engineering fundamentals, recognition that digital control alone cannot replace physical grid inertia, a shift in Europe from ideology to engineering realism. Energetic X takeaways: cheap oil accelerates structural change rather than a fossil comeback. Offshore wind is entering an industrial operations phase where service and reliability win. Future grids will be hybrid systems: classic power engineering plus power electronics plus digital control. The future of energy lies not in revolutions, but in the intelligent integration of proven physics with new loads, AI, data centers, and renewables.